I don't know if you have heard or not, but planners and printables are like the rage on Etsy and Pinterest. People are buying them and people are creating them to sell. So I'm not sure where you are in your journey online. And if you've been looking for something that you really wanted to design and sell, then you need to know how from someone who's doing it successfully. Meet my friend Michelle. Michelle is a a planner wizard, really. She is. She can show you how to make your own digital planner to sell. And you can sell it on your website, you can sell it on Etsy, or you can sell it on your blog. You don't have to sell it on Etsy. You can sell it on the Shopify store. But Michelle is teaching people and here are some of her students that are really, really successful. Michelle's story is she went from working for a janitor to building a six-figure business. And I really think that Michelle will be a seven-figure earner in the near future. So she's got some, I mean, I've seen a lot of people online, but Michelle has the prettiest things. I mean, she really does. And I'm an affiliate for Michelle, which means I'll get a commission if you buy through my link. With that being said, if you do buy her course through my link, you'll get as a free bonus my own Pretty Printables course for newbies 101. And I show you how to make a printable. And right now it's selling to the general public for $197 unless you have a coupon. So if you get in on Michelle's planner and printable course, let me show you what it looks like inside right here. Passive income with Printables online course. And she is going to be adding to it very, very soon. But I mean, you have everything you need right here. How to create a digital planner, which is the hottest, newest thing online, where people can actually have a planner that is virtual with a stylist. So if that interests you, you're going to want to download. Go to the link below and sign up for my newsletter, and then it will redirect you to Michelle's course. This is also Create Amazing Printables, Launch Your Etsy Shop in 5 days. I also teach you how in my course, how to launch your Etsy shop, how to create amazing graphics. My Pay What You Want strategy, I used this strategy and mailed it out to my list, and I made $56 in 2 days just from a very small product. So Michelle's stuff works. She's a really good teacher. I think you'll really enjoy learning from her. And so click the link below and join us in this hottest trend called printables and planners. This is Christy. Talk to you soon.